Hello, this is Lee, licensed acupuncturist and herbalist. Last time we had a little video about how the prostate enlargement is linked with too much alcohol, especially when you are around 20-ish. That's the second stage for the prostate grow much faster. So, and how alcohol influenced this prostate growth, the second growth. Now I want to mention other factors which you can avoid to prevent benign prostate hyperplasia, meaning the prostate grow bigger to influence your urination, bladder function, interrupting your sleep. So there are a couple factors which can contribute to this benign prostate hyperplasia, and one is diabetes. Diabetes, it causes the high blood sugar cause inflammation in the blood vessels, in the nerves. So you not only have inflammation in prostate, but also your nerves get so sensitive. So there's a little bit of urine in your bladder, and then it irritates your bladder. So there are many factors can cause frequent urination urgency and urine residue problems. And when you have diabetes, you use the insulin or medication to lower your blood sugar. But then the problem is that those drugs help you to transfer the blood sugar into fat cells and stored as fat instead of burning those calories. So you end up having more fat, and so those fat cells stores extra estrogen, which stimulate prostate growth or causing more inflammation. The other factor is obesity. So when you have more and more fat tissue, your estrogen level definitely will go up. So that can cause inflammation and enlarge the prostate. Also, the other factor, the dihydrotestosterone, which is another form of male hormones, but it's more potent than testosterone. So there is one enzyme can convert testosterone into this DHT, which can stimulate prostate growth. So anything stimulate this potent male hormone increases in the prostate or even around hair follicles, and that can lead to enlarge the prostate and also male baldness. So I noticed that people who drink a lot, they tend to lose their hair earlier. So I think alcohol may influence the enzyme which converted the testosterone into dihydrotestosterone. So this potent male hormone will not only stimulate your prostate growth, but also causing you losing hair. And so take it easy when you drink too much, so you don't change your enzyme function and the hormone component. The other thing causing the inflammation is the spicy food. So we're always talking about spicy food produce internal heat, and heat always lead to inflammation. And the other factor could be the tensile strength of the capsule around the prostate. So when you have a good nutrition and this capsule has elasticity, normal elasticity, so when the prostate enlarged, this capsule around the prostate can stretch a little bit outside. And if the elasticity is not good, then the prostate enlarged, and instead of growing outward a little bit, it will press the urethra. And when it presses the urethra, and you have the feeling of urgency to urinate. So in order to make the soft tissue, including this capsule around the prostate, more elastic, you need a lot of vitamin C from the fruit, the vegetables, and the vitamin tablet is just not functioning as same as the fruit and the vegetables. And there are a couple of studies recently. There's one study published by Bresky about how fish oil can increase the prostate cancer rate. And they did a study in men who has increased the PSA, and they find out when they take fish oil or flaxseed oil, actually the PSA can increase much faster, and the prostate cancer rate jumped. So when you take fish oil, take it easy, because there are studies showing that, and clinically I do see people who take higher dosage of fish oil and their PSA increased so fast, and once it reach 8 or 10, there is more risk to develop prostate cancer, and you need a biopsy. And so that's a couple of factors which can contribute to increase the urination problems. And the other thing is the coffee, and the coffee stimulates your nerves. So if you drink 1 cup of coffee, comparing people drink 1 cup of tea, and the person who drink coffee will go to the bathroom much faster, much more frequent than the person who drink tea, because tea relaxes the smooth muscle and coffee stimulate nerves, making the smooth muscle spasm. So you want to run to the bathroom, so increase the urgency. So if you are diagnosed as enlarged prostate and increased PSA, try to change those factors, and so you can lower your PSA naturally.